khona umjita wasekasi bekasitholele igigi eAlbertine. Umajita ngifakile etshwaleni ngangena sabuthela angiyazi mina eThakila kodwa ngifike lapha la ngayifundela khona leyo nto. So sithe masiphuma immediately siphuma egethini lalapha eklabhini. So masingena eTaxini emuva bekunamahrot monayithu saqonda la mahlathi angalo umdressing angena ngale lo ola emuva ongena nalo magogo wakhipha isibhamu wangishaya ngaselabusweni. That's when I get this guy. Sayehliswa sathathelwa amafoni sathathelwa ama-laptop. Hey safika masingena le sakhumulwa sathathelwa impahla lenye time kwathi mina shooting ngilwela la mantombazana loya mele ngime impeke lento ayenzayo. Yazi mina lento langigcina ukuyibona ema-movie ukuthi iyenzeka real life ukuthi umuntu wesifazane was down then touch the neck yamajita eish.
In 3, 2, 1, action.
Sanibonani Zimelang, everybody, and welcome back to Soweto Podcast. Y'all know it's your girl Tamika Kaswa, back again with another banging. And today, get it started to guy. Get it back a little bit bugele. Le majita bana get it guys. You know majita, you must come. Don't be scared, ne? Come and if it's a hotel, let's show how you like, you share, you subscribe, you follow us on all social media platforms, and you become a member, right? I love you guys. Got a lot of love. Thank you guys for the comments. Thank you for the judgments. At least the khudisa guys. Now, without any further ado, let's jump straight into today's issue. Hello, Buti.
Njani?
Ngiyaphila ngicela uzazise.
Kamala muthatha tibani. Mphumelole but wonke umuntu unyazi SMJ Javula. Sure.
Okay, ukhulele kuphi?
Ngikhulele eThembisa.
Okay.
Thema ngithi 11 years ngamuva ngazelule and then that's when aqala nje impilo yami grand until today.
Okay, ukhuluma umuntu onjani?
So mina my sister ngumrapper.
Okay.
Mina ngumrapper my sister and a drill maker. Yeah.
Okay.
So without the rapper no more driller then there's nothing for me.
Okay.
Yeah. So
namhlanje siphatheleni.
Yeah man kuthi in squad kasi. So mangina squad kasi is almost my 15 mangakho mistaken. So by that time khona umjita wasekasi bekasitholele igigi eAlbertine.
Okay.
eAlbertine social hub. So kula majita 15 kwaphuma 3 yamajita which is you ahambe ayo focus egigi.
Okay.
So Benkhona was one of the gang, one of the friends. So vele sukela nabheku sese around 3. Sabambi taxi suka directly ePara from ePara to eAlbertine. Samfonela as direct to Amelisephi and then sabalapha. Safika sangena obviously itlap ihab so usho ukuthi kunama-pounds so obviously nayo uzibuzile ukuthi labafana yena wayebala so sasho ukuthi no sinegigi laphakathi sasikhulume no Rich so i-owner u-Rich so sangena laphana masingena basinika isite lethu sayohlala lapha salindela until late. Lokho kusho ukuthi sihlale until boma 8. Ngaqala islot sethu. That's when saqala ama-performance wethu. Siqala ama-performance wethu for 2 hours which is 8, 9. And then after lo ma-performance sahlala phansi. Uyazi immediately babonile ukuthi hayi abafana aba-talented nizobanjwa izandla ngazothi nama-president into ezinjengalezo. So saphuma angiphuzi but same day majita ngifakile etshwaleni ngangena sabuthela angiyazi mina eThakila kodwa ngifike lapha la ngayifundela khona leyo nto ukuthi ibhodlela into etesta kanjani ngakhuphuka ngoba manje tabheka nongibuza ukuthi kanti unomrapho njani ongabhema ongaphuzi. Yabona, so same day vele ngabuthela ngiyobudlalisela ngibuthelile. So ngashaya boma 11 late khane sicabanga ukuhamba ukuthi hayi no kumele sambe manje. Lokho kusho ukuthi kwamele sobona umlungu before sambe. So sahamba sobona umlungu wayenza into right. Wayenza into right umlungu saphuma. So sithe masiphuma immediately siphuma egethini lalapha eklabhini siphuma sithi sibheke istrata. So kaphuma amantombazane emva kwethu ayithusa. Amantombazane mawaphuma ajike khona. I mean aphuma from egethini ajike aya ngale kuleli linye side mhlambe la right. Salinda thina khona lapha. Sithi mhlambe silinda ama-taxi ngoba kusase 11 ngisho ukuthi asekhona. And sure yavela i-taxi. Mayivela i-taxi sakhwela i-taxi. Yahamba i-taxi nalamantombazane ayithusa baficele phambili fika yabathatha nabo. Yahamba. So masingena eTaxini emuva bekunama-Grootman ayi-2. Makunama-Grootman ayi-2 la phambili bekunama-Grootman elilodwa and then no drive. So thina masingena safika sahlala naloyo abheka hlela yi-1 because bese 3 and then kwaba lamantombazana lemva kwethu. Bese iphume le moto la ithi mayiqonda i-Al Road. Ithi mayiqonda i-Al Road ngase-BP yafika yathatha nje uMagriza nje. uMagriza ehamba ne-Grootman. Fika mayemthatha ahamba. Masamba sithi siqonda Mall of the South. Mall of the South ngapha esayidini. So sithe masidlule Mall of the South ngapha esayidini kunamahlathi ngapha amaningi. So itaxi yajika yayangale. Ene since sisukile size besixoxa vele kahle sonke uhlekwa njengabantu abaphilayo vele. So immediately sidlule Mall of the South saqonda la mahlathi angale umdressing angena ngale. Aish mina ngumuntu ophaphaya. I mean ngangiwumuntu ophaphaya. So ngambuza ukuthi kahle itaxi yaphi ngoba thina selula which is kwamele uyosibeke lo itaxi ingena ngale. Mangikhuluma leyo nto lo ola emuva. Lo la emuva ongena nalo magogo. Wakhipha isibhamu wangishaya ngasebusweni. That's when I get this guy. And then ngathula ngoba bengidake. And then kayehla. Shuthi makangena wafika lapha ekaya khona. Wafika le sayehliswa sathathelwa amafoni, sathathelwa ama-laptop. Sicathulo sabo lesaphe ngesidokelo thatha imali yakaMawulidi okugcina.
Yamagogo.
YakaMawulidi le mali. Ngisho yalesicathulo. So ngathenga isicathulo sinswempu nje. Imali yakaMawulidi okugcina. Hey, safika masingena le sakhumulwa, sathathelwa impahla. Sala ngama-PVD. Sathi ungeniselwa ngenduku satrajo strong. Lamantombazane ayi-2 lawa. Mina nginabusisi so ithe immediately ngibona lama-time ayenza lento la kulamantombazane. Angivele ngangi-understand. Ikhanda lami nje lavela laduma same time. Angihlala ngaphakama which is bekumele ngenze something. And then bekunama-match around then aphonsa mina kulo baba la. Then laba basemuva babeya kimi then banyathela mina which is abanyathelanga nje kuphela. Banyathele nje ukungibreak into khona. Basishaya umngani wami lo munye loyama sifuba sakhe bamshayela kingelitshe lelikhulu. which is in a way bekamfuna afile. Yeah, so bheka esifubeni, and then lo munye bhekathi uzama ukubaleka umdubula inyawo. Wamdubula inyawo. Lenye time wathi kimi mina shooting ngilwela la mantombazana lawa. Mele ngime impeke lento ayenzayo. Kule intombazana. Abosisi nje bayintanga. I mean ngiya height. Intanga zabosisi bami, but otherwise ngeminyaka abadala. Yabona. So into engimangaziyo ukuthi nabo my sister abasana movement kulento le yenzeke lapha. Abayenza yona lapha. So my sister ngathi ngibeka kanjani ke lento la, kodwa ke yazi mina lento la ngicela ukuyibona ema-movie ukuthi iyenzeka real life, ukuthi umuntu wesifazane was down, then touch the neck yamachita. Was too much. Uvele kwabe trauma yadehole. Yeah. So kabe ukuthi since vele silapha until boma 3 ekuseni.
So lento kubeka until 3 o'clock.
Until 3 o'clock. So my 3 o'clock kanabashiya, which is sithi masiyaphuma. Lo munye lo ulimale inyawo bekwazi nokuhamba. So kumele sikukisana naye. Nami ngilimele ngendlela benze ngayo. Labo girl abayithu immediately baqeda ukwenza imisebenzi yabo. Labo girl bahamba. Ngoba thina basale bathi transfer. Mina nginayo into transfer. Anginalo ikhadi la, benginalo ikhadi le bank by the time. So which is bathathile imali benginayo. And then ngisurvive vele after leyo nto ukuthi ngikwasanga transfer. Vele bangibuza ukuthi imali enginayo yini. Imali benginayo. Imbuzo yabo nje bheki ngezinye izinto useless, ngoba bese babuza ukuthi ingena kanjani eklabhini ngenamali. And as the reason why thina siphumela lapha is because of the more uzohlala nemali ezandleni seklabhini, obviously uzoyidla, uyabona tshwala, the more ubiza now the more keep ephaketheni. And then bafika ke bona bethatha nje kanjalo. Bethi mabethatha vele kwabe nje flop for me. Bese ngikhalela nje imali kaMolile engithathile.
Excuse.
And then kwaba into njalo, so bashiya from ngo-3 bahamba. So mabahamba, and then saphuma thina sikugane naloya ngoba beyangalo. Sathi masifika estradini sahake nakhona siyakha isikhathi eside, because immediately naye udriver yena lo driver leyo moto makazobona ngendlela ngeke zasithathe. Yeah, because sobona la mhlambe amahubo lawa or yenzana lezi zinto khona lokho. And then sasizwa lenye time elihamba nge-freight line, which is shuthi bheka abuye emsebenzini wakhe. And then wasiza from lapha, wasithatha wasisa le esibhedlela, akasisanga straight ekhasi. Because bengeke isilo.
Benilimele kakhulu.
Yeah, then wasisa esibhedlela, makasisa esibhedlela. Ngiyazama amafoni kaMolile ngiyakhanda. Ngiyacela ukufuniswa. Ngifona. Athi mangifona uMolile naye. Buza ukuthi ukuphi la ubeya nokuthi uzobuya before 12. Sengingasa-understand ukuthi kwamele ngiqale ngithini uMawuledi. Ngithi sorry, ngithini uMawuledi, and then ngimtshela ukuthi no, zwakala eBhara. uMawuledi wazwakala eBhara. Makeze eBhara, kwaba buhlungu uma ngibona yena futhi ekhala.
Excuse.
And doctor bangi-check uthola ukuthi angikho right vele phukile. Not ukuphuka as ukuphuka, but shuthi nginenkinga nyana kumathambo. Namanje nje as we speak angiboni ukuthi ngi-correct. Yeah. Ukuthi ngi-right nje angiboni ukuthi ngi-correct. That's why noma sengisekhaya manje ngihlezi ngilela. Leyo ukuthi ngizophuma estradeni ngithi ngiyabona abangani ngigcwala indawo. Ayisekho sekuthi ngihlezi endlini ngilela. Mangaba ngilalanga then shuthi ngisemsebenzini. Into esifana nalezo. Wasinika ama-medical. Lona bengena choice. Wahlala emotweni encane. Which is wheelchair. Yangidla leyo nto ngoba ngifile ngathi bekuyi-fault yami for ukuthi abe lapha ngoba ngi-entertaine leya bheka busy le. So that's why lo atholile into ayitholile. So ngifile ngaphatheka kabi. So uphela isikhathi slapper. Phela isikhathi slapper, and then kuwukuthi basithathe wesise ekhaya. Yeah. But otherwise bagrand. Right.
Sikasukile ku-wheelchair manje.
Akahambi.
Namanje.
Akahambi namanje.
Askisi bhuti.
Shuthi noma sebethi bayamkhipha kwamele baphushe. Yeah. Kumele baphushe until laugh ayakhona.
Manje, did you stop rapping or you still uyekile nje le mpilo?
Leyo nto mamzo wangitshela yona ukuthi nganama una choice lento yokucula yekela. So ngizange mina ngifuna ukuyeka. Angisange mina ngifuna ukuyeka ngoba shuthi into yami le ngiyangikwazi ukuyeka. Ngiyangikwazi ukuyeka. Kahle into engifuna ukuphila ngayo. Yeah. So ngiyangikwazi ukuyeka naye ngamtshela ukuthi
Okay, so
ukuthi uMawuledi wami bengizomtshela ezinye izinto zokuthi afile ngathi ngiyam-disrespect. Yabona, but
inhliziyo yena ayivumi. Okay, ngifuna sibuyele back a little bit kule story leyo qeda ungitshela zona. Uthe ubhuti nomagogo bangena emotweni.
Yeah.
So yonke lento le mayenzeka.
Umagogo ulapha. Umagogo uhamba nabo.
Oh.
So umagogo yonke lento mayenzeka umagogo uhlele emotweni.
Oh.
Umagogo uhlele emotweni, umagogo uhamba nabo.
So uphakathi kweskimu umagogo.
So umagogo uphakathi kweskimu, umagogo uhamba ngeskimu. Akusiwo umagogo kahle. Sengiyasho ukuthi umagogo, yabona.
Ngoba umdala but akekho umagogo lokuya.
Yeah, ukuthi umagogo. Yabona. Umagogo ukhona lapha phakathi.
Yeah.
So shuthi naye melapha. One of a friend vele ubuzile ukuthi uyaseka vele sibe ekhaya. Cabanga umuntu omdala yelendlela ehlala nje kule rollator asibheke ukuthi bekumele abe sendlini alele ngalesi sikhathi noma ke alandele intanga zakhe la zihamba khona.
Okay, so after yonke lento le isibedlela, did you go see umuntu ongakhulumisana naye ukuthi ukwazi ukuheal pain yakho?
Kahle angikwazanga nguwe.
Why?
Ngoba immediately ngicabanga kahle angikwazi kahle kahle nokuyithela ngomlomo ukuthi ngikhulume kodwa ngikhulumile. Yeah. Angikwazi ukuthi ngitshele nomunye umuntu ngoba nasekhaya nje ithe laba bazile abakwazile ukuthi kwenzekeni. Baqala ukubuza abantu yabazi abantu basekhaya. Hey kwenzekeni? Alright. Umbonile special amajita lawo engihlala nawo. Umbonile ubuso kuzomela simlande. Hayibo. Ngizomthola phi lo muntu ngoba ngisho ukuthi le text le akusiya la around lolu mhlambe yakulele side lele. Bese ngathi uyasiletha la siya khona ngoba seshilo ukuthi siyapi. Yabona but otherwise akusinto lapha.
So bese nibhadalile itaxi or wena sazobhadala bekwenzeni?
Bese ngakabhadala.
So kusho ukuthi lento leyo ukuthi udriver kasheshe ukucela imali yakhe imele ususpect ukuthi ikhona ushikela.
Kahle yabona if ukuthi ngikazi into futhi nathi esenze nje sabatoma because into bekumele sibheke ayikho itaxi engongo level.
You know,
ayikho itaxi engongo level. Mose enkwarini uphelele enkwarini until kuse so ukwazi ukuhamba because immediately uzobe enkwarini and then wena ngaleza nkathi ukuthi kusekulate maye you wanna go out. Akuhlungu leyo nto ngoba uzohlangana nabotlefa abawotlefa. Yeah, which is very correct.
So do you think ukuthi lento ukuthi abantu basekasi lakho bebakubuza imibuzo yenze ukuthi usabe kuyofuna usizo?
Abantu basekasi lami bangazi njengomuntu ohlekanayo. Immediately into iyenzeka. Thingithi abangani bami. Immediately kuba nento nje efana. Mina one of the friends bengizomhleka. Bengileyo type vele ukuthi ngihlekana. So
just themba hleke wena.
Immediately bazowazi leyo nto benginaleyo mentality yokuthi
bazokuhleka.
Namanje bavele bathi sindile ngoba akakwazi nokukhipha ivoice. Into ezinjalo makahleka umzimba wabuhlungu makenzana ukuthi so bengeke ngize ngibeke bangane unless kulaba abazi.
Ngoba nawe unalento leyo ukuthi indoda ayikhali. Angithi namadoda nifela ngaphakathi.
Ngingasho phela mangizo khona iqiniso indoda ayikhali.
Why?
Ingoba okay awuthi ngibeke kahle clear. Ukuphuma inyembezi indoda iyaphuma inyembezi kodwa indoda ayivezi ivoice ikhale njengomuntu wesimama.
Okay.
Yeah. Leyo nto nje ayenzeki but ukukhala ngenhliziyo veza inyembezi zakho kwenzeka.
So wena uhile kanjani kule process? Uhilile na?
Angihilanga ngoba ngisathi mangihleli isikhathini esiningi iyabuya. Especially mangizokhumbula ukuthi bebayenzana kula mantombazana lawa. Yeah. So ayikwazi ukuhamba.
So awazi ukuthi amantombazana baphume kanjani? Angithi bahambe before.
Amantombazana mawaphuma aphuma aqonda khona ngale hlathini. Thina masiphuma siqonda estradeni. So ngingazi ukuthi mawaya ngale basuka bayaphi ngale. Yeah. But thina masiphuma siqonda estradeni. Which is siyofuna yini hike or sicela usizo khona ngale. Because ngisho ukuthi isetla ngale South Gate, I mean, South Mall of the South ngapha amazing ngapha iSky. Separate nje Golden Highway. So ngapha ihlathi ngapha imizi abantu.
So like as a man njengoba uthi indoda ayikhali kanje. Don't you think it would be wise ukuthi uye counseling ungasasabi ukuthi abantu because phela i-counseling is something confidential angithi. Akekho umuntu ozowazi ukuthi uyile khona. or une-pride ukuthi hayi mina ngiyindoda mina ngiqinile.
Nginale nto ukuthi izodlula mhlawumbe yabo. Izodlula ngoba ayikho into engadlula.
And so far
Ayikho into engadlula.
indlulile.
Ayikadluli.
Ayikadluli.
Ngoba shuthi ayiqali ukwenzeka. Yeah.
Kuwe.
Yeah, ayiqali ukwenzeka. So yenzeka before. So
Beyiphinda futhi.
yeah, beyiphinda futhi.
So how has it
Ngiyeke.
affected your life since you were a passionate guy, a career? How now this happened? You're still traumatized. How do you handle it? Udila kanjani ngale trauma yakho?
Kusimple. Thina as a rapper, we just write it down and put it away.
Okay.
Yeah. We just write it down and put it away. And it's masithi put it away. Sibeka exactly not so estude. Sibeka exactly not so. So that's how we clean. Yeah.
Manje usawathola amagigi or awusawahambi because of umama athi hey ungasayi lapho?
Ngiyawathola sometimes amakiki. Noma ngiwatholile i-vibe ayisafani nalawaya yabona. Ngoba mangifika ngithi ngiyajumpa inyawo ziyakrampa. Yabona. So akusana vibe. Kuba nje the normal. Sometimes nje ngivela ngihlalele phansi ngisibambele mic. Focus on telling people the message. Yeah.
So bathi kwenzakaleni ngenyawo zakho Mdleki?
Ngiyeka
I-fracture, what happened? Abakufakanga next operation?
No, abenzanga next. Banongikama phesi bathi mhlawumbe bathini amapeni. Yeah, izodlula lento leyo. So sure sometimes uyathula nje umzimba uthi tu. But immediately kubanda. Iyabuya yonke lento leyo. So that's when nami ngizivalela nje endlini ngihlale. Obviously angithi ngizwe umzimba ngendlela oyenza ngayo, so I have to let it out. Ngirelax nje kube leyo nto.
Yeah. Mara askisi ukuthi you had to witness such a painful thing, eh?
Yes.
Do you have sisters?
Yeah. Ngiyethwini ungibona mfo.
Oh.
Ngiyethwini, so endlini sihamba nga-2 sonke.
Hayi bo.
Yeah.
So itwin lakho ntombazana?
Ntombazana.
And I'm sure that time they were doing that to lawa ntombazana lawo, you're thinking of your twin ukuthi you.
No. Sihamba nga-2. That's why nje mangibone lento leyana.
Wangabi right.
Yeah.
Imali umama ukhohlakele yo.
Eish.
Cabanga nje abantwana ubabhekile ngathi awuzelanga, like as a woman, like it's not good. Okay, so what have you learned throughout this entire experience ukuthi uqaphele for ini kahle kahle this time around?
No, this time mangigibele itaxi sengibheke nje ukuthi kunabantu abanjani etaxini. Etsela kwamele ngigibele itaxi empty noma kumele ngifike ngibheke ukuthi kunabantu abanjani etaxini. Oh, ngona ngilinde itaxi ibingena abantu bese ngizolandela. Yeah. Lento esengiyenza. Ngoba after yonke lento le umuntu noma ngafika ayenze something ngizophenduka ngokuthuka ngoba yeah. Phela yonke phenduka ngepressure noma yini. So Baile yonke.
Okay, imagine askisi but wami.
Okay, message.
How brave mara at least yazi. Ngiyabonga ukuthi uzile wazoshare story sakho. Manje regarding your rapping career, tshela abantu ukuthi ngoba ufuna ukubhuka rapper hip hop, rapper imaskana, ngithi kunama rapper different these days. Sikuthola kuphi kanjani?
Ngikhona ku TikTok, YouTube, ngine-page, Instagram khona.
Sikuthola ngobani?
MJ Jarula.
MJ Jabula.
Jarula. Yeah.
MJ Jarula, luhlile guys, and then what kind of rap do you do? Hip hop rap?
It's a hip hop rap, but in a thrill way.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thrill rap.
Yeah, thrill.
Yeah.
So ngilapha nje. Otherwise mawuzongithola kwezinye izinto tena ama-feature. But otherwise more na mina I'm on a drill way. Yeah, and
Yo ngiyaxolisa bhuti wami for lento ekuvelele ne.
okay, my sister.
Uphole man.
Nah,
Samukhila.
saphola
But go for counseling, it might help you.
manje mangizoya counseling kuzohamba yonke into ekhanda lami.
Kanjani like?
Ngizobe sengikhohle noma wami. Ngikhohle.
I understand umkhohlwa kanjani manje.
Ngithi bangikhanselela phela ingqondo and
So affect kanjani le injury le?
eish. Ngisho uyabona ukuthi ngathi ngitumbile. Yeah, so lezi zinto since sahambe yabona.
Did it affect your brain in some way?
Yeah, ngisho ngoba sometimes nokuthi ngiphathwe ekhanda from nowhere. Yabona, and umolelo nongikhuza ngokuthatha i-grandpa. Yeah, ngeke always after 2 hours when uphuza i-grandpa. Grandpa, this finalized. So
Manje abakucheka ngebhaka ngoba banama x-ray nanani.
nah, mina ngithe right.
So usilimazile wena.
That's kahle qiniso ukuthi nayo doctor mina ngiyamsaba. Yeah, nayo doctor ngiyamsaba iqiniso lakhona le.
Mara manje njengoba ulimele kanje yabona ukuthi doctor uyamdinga.
Kahle nginale spirit sokuthi yabona umuntu makagula. There's no need ukuthi athathe amapilisi. Once alala umuntu uzovuka right. In a way. Okay, before beyenzeka kimi ngigule mhlambe ngithola labo ma 3 days. Mara mangivuka ngizoba ngi-straight. Yeah.
And so far yenzekile ukuthi uvuke right.
Manje ayisayenzeki manje kuzomela
Hamba uyocheka. Maybe there's something you're avoiding that's trying to alert you baba. Something needs attention here. Sizoyise ukuthi inyawo zakho nazo zinokuthi zilokhe nyana. Go check.
Please show kanjalo molele kodwa
Yabo,
ngisaba
lady is always right.
ngisaba nokuya eclinic mangiphethwe iflu. Ngoba hey.
Usabe injection. Ulabantu nana bebathiswa nge-injection mawukhulu.
Yeah.
Bakhulise bathi ngizokuza ku doctor zokuhlaba nge-injection for sure ne.
So no ngisho kanjalo. But leyo nto kahle mara ngisho kanjalo.
Okay, ke uzokunikeza amaphilisi umtshele ukuthi hayi doctor mina ne-injection azizali.
Udoctor afuna ukuyizwa le. Leyo ukuthi awufuni injection. Udoctor nje as long as uma ufika kwakhe ubona ukuthi wena udinga injection uzokufaka injection.
So wena usaba lokho ngono ufe ipain kunokuthi uthole injection ye 2 minutes 2 seconds.
Lento leyana ayinantanga immediately izongena la nathamboni lakho sesikhuluma ezinye izinto.
Okay.
Ezinye izinto.
Mara uyazilimaza though. You need to go and try, at least get help, get advice ke. And then you'll take it from there.
Advice ngiyathola kodwa
Ngisho from a medical person.
No, ngithola from ama local abantu abalocally kasi like in a culture way.
Okay.
Not in the English way, in a culture way.
Usaba lama English lawo.
Yeah.
So ngcono uphuza imbiza nokuthi ufake injection.
Imbiza is too much, yeah. Kodwa ezinye izinto. Yeah, ezinye izinto nje ukuthi at least lento uphuza lento
manje usaphuza utshwala njengoba bocala kanje.
Ngivele ngastopa
same time wabona ukuthi akusinto yami ne.
Kodwa sometimes nokulikhalela mangibona amajita aphuza kodwa ngihlele ukuthatha isiphi.
Manje laba abanye amajita labo bashiye emuva angithi ni 15 esquadini uhambe 3 abanye bathini manibuye ngendaba ezibhlungu kanje.
Obviously immediately indaba ezibhlungu ziphethe thina siphethe sonke squad. Yeah, ngoba thelo umunye lo bamfakile ijela esifubeni abatshelile then
yena uphelele ephi vele ulimele kanjani like
eish loyana shuthi khona irip la iphukile so makabuye vele bebamfakile nebandage lakho then nebandage ekhanda naye nje uyifanela nami zasendlini na kunzima ukuthi ngivakashele abangani bami
Uzosivalela endlini until uzube right.
Ya, ngibona kanjalo. Ngiphuma mangabe bathi hayi sinegigi kumele siphume. Ya. Lapho indawo phuma nabo. But nakhona kucala ngibhekisise kahle kahle ukuthi ngihamba nabo ba. Laba ngihamba nabo bayalwa yini.
Oh,
Yeah.
protection.
Mangibhekile yimi engimncane kulabantu abalapha bonke abantu abadala. Abantu abadala like 24, 23, 25. So kumele ngibheke kuqala ukuthi nakhona nabo mangabe bayafuna ukungithatha ukuthi sihambe. Ngoba mina ayikho into engiyaziyo when it comes to producing mina umsebenzi wami ukuthi nje ngingena nje e-studio and then fake i-voice. Bona bayazi ukuthi bazenzani. Yeah. That's it.
Yeah. Ngiyabonga for the story sakho Bhutan. Thank you for officially being brave enough to tell someone about it. And thank you for telling me your story. Maraski silente kuvelele yaze ikhumnandi.
Yes, yena ikhumnandi.
Because like ama-taxi into esiyithembayo eSouth Africa, that's like our source of transport. So if you're not going to be trusting theirs, uthembani manje? Yo, guys, be careful. Until after 11, taxis are not available. It's just a thing. I want a taxi. Slides. There's a thing called Bolt and Uber, guys. Let's start to save money and budget for that because, wow, I want a guy who went through the West, get taxi, yeah, after 11. Like, guys, even careful. More laughing, ne? Kalerata, comment down below. Litutusing abutabato, luna if you came across such a thing. And then bukele ba if la muhopola gay o. Kupalete na lo share story saluna rumplore. How did things happen on your side? Because I actually feel sorry for you guys, ne? And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and become a member. Kalerata, I love. I'll see you guys again next week. Ciao, ciao.